Hey everybody, Sky here from Seattle, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can set up recurring Zoom class meetings right through D2L. This tool is extremely useful for both instructor and student alike because it's going to make it to where you don't have to share invitations or links anymore. Students can access Zoom classes right through the D2L homepage. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here on our course homepage, and this is just an example course for demonstration purposes, we are going to want to go up here to where it says Zoom on the nav bar and click it. That's going to bring up our Zoom LTI integration interface page. You can see that there's nothing set here because we haven't set any recurring class times yet. Now, I want to make one thing clear. If you've already set up recurring class meetings through your native Zoom app, the okcu.us Zoom, they're not going to carry over into here. You're going to have to set them up in here outside of that. So like I said, if you've already set those up, you're going to have to put them in here. However, I'm about to show you how easy that is. So here on our homepage, we're going to want to go up here to where it says Schedule a New Meeting and click that. On this screen, we're going to set all of the parameters for when our course meets and for how long. So for this course, we're going to say that it meets at 10 a.m. every Tuesday and Thursday for 1 hour. So the duration is set for 1 hour, and here, where it says recurring meeting, we want to enable that. Now you can see we set when exactly it recurs. So we're going to set it for weekly, because most classes do recur weekly. And we are going to want to choose the days. We said Tuesday and Thursday, so Thursday is already checked. We'll click Tuesday. And this is the end date, so that can be set for when the end of the semester is. For our purposes, we're just going to leave it on February 23rd. Now that that's done, we can scroll to the bottom and click Save. And then on this screen, we go to the top, click back on Course Meetings, and there on the integration page, you can see all of those recurring class meetings from where we started to where we finished. One important thing to keep in mind is that when you want to go and start your Zoom class session, you have to do it through this integration through D2L. So right there where it says Start, that's where you would start the Zoom session. If you start it through the app, it's not going to pick up this integration and students will not be able to join it. Now I'm going to show you how it looks from the student perspective. So back on our course homepage, I am going to impersonate one of the students in this class. So to do that, I go to Class List, and I'm going to go to our test student, Stuart, and I'm going to click Impersonate. Now I'm seeing the course homepage as a student would see it. So just like the instructor, I'm going to go up here to Zoom and click on it. And now I can see all of the class Zoom sessions scheduled for the entire course. All I have to do as a student is go to the appropriate one for that class session for that date and time and click Join. And that's going to bring Zoom up. I go into Zoom and I'm sitting in the waiting room waiting for my instructor to let me in for class that night. This tool is huge for helping streamline the process of students being able to log in to their Zoom sessions and instructors being able to set recurring ones that are easy to access. So let's rejoice. Next, I'm going to show you how you can upload your recorded Zoom class sessions into your Panopto class folder. Zoom Basic users will have to manually upload those recorded Zoom sessions. However, it's a very simple process, and I'm going to show you how. So here on our D2L course homepage, we're going to go up here to the top nav bar and click on Panopto Class Videos. This will bring up our D2L course Panopto folder, where all videos will be stored. On this page, you're going to want to go up here to the Create button and click that, and then scroll down here to Upload Media and click. On this page, click anywhere within this big box, and it should bring up your Documents folder or your File Explorer folder, whatever one is your default. At this point, you'll need to remember where you store your Zoom videos that you record. If you're not sure how to do that, I'll include a link in the description of this YouTube video that will connect to a short, simple tutorial on how to record Zoom sessions and store them on your computer. But assuming you know where you put those recorded Zoom sessions, that's where you'll want to go next. I put mine in the videos folder because it's the simplest thing in my mind to know where to store videos. I'm going to double click that and you can see my example video right here. At this point, you can either click it and then click open, or what I like to do is simply drag it over to the big window and drop it. And as you can see, it was uploaded into our Panopto folder. We're going to X out of this and it appears right there. At this point, you can edit it, you can share it, or even delete it if you don't like it. And the best part is the students can click that Panopto class videos button here on the home page, and they can view past Zoom sessions as well in case they missed it or in case they want to go back and review the information in that lecture. As always, if you have any questions or need any help, you can always reach out to us at CETL through onlinehelp@okcu.edu. We'll be happy to answer any questions or any issues you might have. Thanks, everybody.